Whew, it feels good to be here in episode 5 of Everyday Alchemy. Finally getting out of the third eye and all its gibberty-jabberty heady stories that tend toward agitating the crap out of us. Onward, we move our ever-stabilizing mind toward the point of all this jazz. This cosmic oomph of energy has one harmonized intent for proceeding forward through time. Playing. I'm talking about the sacral chakra, the passion center, where Chokurei touches next. With the crown root brow bridge engaged, mind tuning into the cosmic flow of things within and around, it's time for a heartfelt leap into our passion project. We many champions of the earth have a tangible need to step up, engaging our passion into the world we see. We are built with the need to build and rebuild our lives in a way that delights us. Consider a story. Once upon a time, there was a goddess that cleared some 5D space to daydream her hope into the world. She catches little rising glimpses of the life she wishes to lead. Who could she become? Where might her life lead her? What curious adventures could be next? What does she want her mind, body, house, city, country, and planet to look like? What does she want her future to look like? Looking at the blossoming of her hopes as a star from the sky born into earth, she chooses to set down the dreams that don't feel right, that do harm to herself or others. Her well-rooted space holds true to the intent of being self-fulfilling without being selfish. She accepts her own needs to be nourished, safe, exploring, connected, happy, but refuses the painfully dissatisfying energies of greed and lack. Her co-creatively attuned core can tell what is rotten and what is beautiful, and she lets the rotten fruit pass right on by, uneaten. This takes her to the heart of it all, where she steps sideways, nextways, aside and within, breathing with her wishes of the world. Opening patiently to the sense of her dream, her many distant futures that she might one day build emerge into the familiar story of her passion, awake and alive in the present. Her childlike passion for the world is tempered by the wisdom she's been growing. Well-rooted, she pounces. Exploring the mysteries of nature can be a curious thing, and digging deep into our thoughts can be entertaining and delightful and healing. However, we can choose to stop pursuing the energies that keep making us feel crappy about ourselves and the world, refusing to become stuck in the inevitable ruminating head that results. Uninstalling the apps from our phones, computers, minds, hearts, and lives that are bringing us down. A meal that is left uneaten. Instead, we can embrace our inner space, staying rooted in our nature, and the wind blows through the trunk and leaves. Then we can relax, open, becoming more mindful in the role of our playful side in the quantum harmony of co-creativity. Where do we wish to be? What energy do we wish to bring? What energy do we wish to experience? What life do we want to lead? Any chance one of those is a win-win? Those get the Quanto Cosmo fast track if they can. Getting back to the day-to-day thing, what are you dreaming of, goddess? That sounds great. Go after it.